Standard 6th Subject Computer. Today we are going to learn lesson number 3, Knowing Windows. What is an operating system? Windows 7 is an operating system released by Microsoft on October 22, 2009. An operating system most important software that runs on a computer. It manages the computer's memory and processes as well as of its software and hardware. The main function of an operating system is to manage computer resources well. Starting Windows. To start Windows, switch on your computer and wait for a few seconds. During this time, the computer tests all the hardware components and loads the operating system files. Finally, after loading the operating system and checking all the hardware components, it displays a screen which is called the desktop. Let us learn about the components of Windows. Components means parts. The desktop. In Windows, the computer screen is called a desktop. Students, whenever we start computer, first screen which appears is called desktop. It includes desktop background, icons and the taskbar. Icons. They are symbols which represent files, folders or programs. Frequently used icons are placed on the desktop. Double-clicking on one of these icons opens up that particular file, folder or program. This is similar to pulling a notebook off a shelf, placing it on a desk and opening it. The taskbar. It is located at the bottom of the desktop. It contains the start button which opens the start menu. Whenever you do any work on the computer, the name of that program will appear as a button on the taskbar. Start menu. When we click on the start button, a list appears. This list is called the start menu. This menu contains the name of the applications that are installed on the computer. Start button situated on taskbar is always displayed at the left hand corner. Click the start button to display the start menu or start screen. The structure of a window. The frame. The outer boundary of the window is its frame. The frame is not visible when the window occupies the entire desktop. The title bar. The topmost thick dark strip of any window is called the title bar. It displays the name of the application as well as the name of the file that has been opened. The small icon that can be found at the top right corner of the title bar. It is used to open, close, move, maximize or minimize a window. The maximize button. Maximize button in window is the middle button with the square. Is officially the zoom button. Clicking on the button expands a window to its full screen. Now the maximize button changes to a new button. This button is called the restore button. The restore button can be used to bring the window back to its original size. The close button. Clicking on this button close a window. Horizontal and vertical scroll bars. You can scroll a window vertically or horizontally by using the appropriate scroll bars. What is the use of the scroll bars? First we learn horizontal scroll bars. We can scroll the content of a window to the left or right. And vertical scroll bar, we can scroll the content up or down. Scroll bar appears only if the entire contents are too much to appear all at once on the screen. To view the remaining part, one can scroll using either horizontal or vertical scroll bar as needed. Now student, if contents are too much and we are not able to read all the content, that time as per our need, we can use the scroll bars either horizontal or the vertical scroll bar. Starting an application. Click on the Start button. Click on All Programs. Select Microsoft Office from the menu and then select Microsoft Excel 2007 from the Extended menu. Quitting Windows. Before you switch your computer off, you should save your work. Close the application you are working and only then shut down Windows. First, click on the Start button on the taskbar and second, select Shutdown from the Start menu. Thank you.